Hi guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a chatterbox. Now this only takes about 2 minutes, so it's not very time consuming, which makes this a good thing to make. So you'll need a piece of paper, some scissors and probably some coloured pens, and that's all you need, so don't take up very much materials as well. So you're going to start off like with portraits this way, and you're going to get the top corner and fold it down diagonally, just like that. So you go like this, and then you put it down like that. So this is where you need the scissors. So you're going to get scissors, and you're going to cut off this, this area, so that line. So I'm going to do that right now. Sorry, the camera view isn't very good, but that's because I have nothing to hold the camera with. So, yeah, so now you have this and this. Now this is when you can unfold your triangle and it'll make a nice neat square. So, you've got your square. Now you need to, just read my little way you do it, but you get one corner, so I get this corner, now fold it down to the middle crease, like that. So, yep, so it'll end up like this, and you're going to do that on every side. So that creates a smaller square. Now, if the triangles don't line up properly, then that's fine. It doesn't really make any difference. It just means that maybe they just want to be lined up properly. Now, so once you do them on all the sides, then it should look like this. Then you turn it over to this way. You're going to do the same to make an even smaller square. This is where it's really hard to line up all of the triangles. Like, for me, these aren't lined up very well. But that is fine, it won't make any difference. So I'm going to do that on all of the sides until you're done. Now this doesn't look like a chatterbox at the moment. That's because to make a chatterbox, you probably need to, actually no, you're not done. First you need to do this, unfold, just to get all the corners working properly. So now all the corners pen properly, and what I do is get to this side with the just straight squares, and then I fold it once like that. So now it's like this, and now there should be 2 flaps. So you folded it, now there should be 2 flaps on the side that you can open up. You slit your fingers to them, and then you got that. Now I like to do is I see right in, and I do that on the other side. And then it should turn out like this. So it was like this. All you need to do is put your fingers through like this. And then do that on the other side, and then you'll have your chatterbox. Now, it's quite hard to get it open like this, but once you try it a couple of times, it will get running smoothly. So it's just inside it's gone all funny. Okay, so now I've got my colour box. So first you're going to get 4 different coloured textures or pencils, doesn't really matter. I'm going to use whatever I can find. So I found a pink. I'm also going to have, let's see, a orange, a green, and on the colour, a blue. So I've got my 4 colours. Now I'm going to do, so it's like this. So you put it back out like this and you can get 1 colour. I'm going to do green first. And you're going to do a little mark or something on one of these, doesn't really matter which. Just any kind of mark. I like doing a little circle and then colouring it in a bit. Like that. You can do any mark you want. And then I'm going to do the pink. This time I'm going to do a heart. And colour it in a bit. So that's pink. Now I'm going to do the orange. The orange will be a star. So I've got the orange. Then I'll get a blue. For blue, I'm going to do a square. Now obviously you don't need to do a shape, you can just do a little squiggle or a little circle for all of them. Doesn't really matter. But then it should look something like this. Then this is when you gotta turn it over again. Now it looks like this. Now you can get any colour for this. I'm just gonna choose a pen. So on each of these tiny triangles, the little ones, say that you're going to write a different number. So go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now it should look something like this. Now we're going to, this is the fun part. So we're going to open up these, and on each of these triangles you're going to write something like, you're going to either be bad or good, like your hair looks nice today, or your breath smells, or you're going to become poor when you're older, or something like that. It's anything to tell the person that's doing it, or something, just, yeah. I'm going to do first, your smile looks nice. There, so now I've written it. Your smile looks nice. It looks backwards, but wait, this Y looks like up here, but it's backwards, but that's because of the videoing. Then I'm going to do a little face and a smile. Yeah. There, so that's the first one done. Next, I'm going to do something bad. Say, your butt is big. I'm literally going to write that. Okay, let's do this. Your butt is big. I try to draw, but this looks backwards. But yeah, I did UR for your because I couldn't be bothered. But the writing looks backwards because of the camera. Next, I'm going to do something nice. Maybe your handwriting. It's beautiful. Actually, no, your sense of fashion. Next, I'm going to do You Ugly. That's all I'm going to do. You Ugly. So I'm going to do, this is just going to be kind of a roast, not really. It's just you and then ugly. You Ugly. So now I'm going to be demonstrating how it works by doing it with my mum, my brother, my dad, I don't know, whoever I see when I get out into the lounge room. Now, let's go. Oh, and this is my room, by the way. Hey Dad. Oh, whoops. Oops. Dad, pick a colour. Dad.
Green.
Pick a colour.
Green.
Okay. G-R-E-E-N. Oh wait, whoops. Okay, now pick a number.
7.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Pick another number.
1.
Okay, so he picked 1. Now let's go back to my room. Actually, no. Stay here. And number 1 is.
Hey Google.
Dad, look what number 1 is.
Your butt is big.
He shows your butt is big. Look. But so that's how the chatterbox works
pizza.
and how you make the chatterbox. Okay, my brother doesn't like being videoed. But anyway, that is how a chatterbox works and how you make a chatterbox. Hope you have a wonderful day and goodbye.